In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Facebook using OBS Studio. So maybe you want to live stream gaming or just your computer screen in general. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a couple easy steps. So first thing we need to do is just head over to the Facebook website. You can click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on See All Profiles, and then you just need to go and select the profile or page that you want to live stream on. Now once you have this selected, go and click on your profile name from the left hand side, and that should take you over to your profile page. Now from here you can click on the option for live video, and you can see that there is some criteria before you can go live. So your profile needs to be at least 60 days old, and if this is a Facebook page you need to have at least 100 followers. Now once you meet this criteria, you can see we have the option to go live. Go and click on this button here. Now you may get this pop-up asking you to allow permission for the microphone and the camera. Just click on the drop down arrow and make sure your webcam is selected. Click on the drop down next to microphone and then just press allow while visiting the site. Now it's going to ask you to select a video source. Click on streaming software. So you can see right here is our stream key, and we're going to need this in just a second. So next thing you'll need to do is open up an internet browser and type in OBS Studio. You can then click on this top website and you need to go and download the OBS Studio to your computer, and this is a free streaming software that will allow you to record your screen. So once you have this installed, open up the start menu. You can then search for OBS Studio and open up this app here. Now once you have the app running, go and click on File in the top left hand side and press Settings. You can then click on Stream, click on the drop down next to Service and select Facebook Live. Now all you need to do is go and enter your stream key in this field here. So I'm going to head back over to Facebook, copy my stream key. You can then come back over to OBS Studio and you can go and paste in your key like this. You can then press Apply and OK. Now next thing you'll need to do is go and set up a source to actually start capturing your computer or your screen. So you can do that by clicking the plus icon at the bottom, click on Display Capture, click on OK. For the capture method, have this set to automatic, click on the drop down next to display and just go and select your monitor. You can then go and press OK. So now if that works successfully, you should be able to see your screen from this window here, and this is basically everything that's going to be recorded. Now you can also add a webcam as well to this if you want, and you can do that by clicking the plus icon, click on Video Capture Device, click on OK, and then you just need to go and select your webcam and press OK. You can then go and resize this, and you can also reposition this somewhere on your stream. Now when you're ready to start streaming, you just need to click on the Start Streaming button, and then you can head back over to the Facebook Live. Now this isn't actually going to start live streaming yet, this is just going to connect you to the Facebook platform. So if you scroll down, you should be able to see a preview of your window here like so. Now in the left hand side, you can go and adjust who can actually see this live stream. You can schedule this for the future, or you can go and post this to your timeline now. Once you're ready to go live, just click on the Go Live button, and that's how you live stream on Facebook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.